How to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So if you want to know someone is stalking you on Instagram or not, you can simply first of all launch the Instagram application. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device and make sure you log into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, here you'll be able to see all the highlights. Now if you have someone stalking you on Instagram, then they'll keep on checking on your profile. So what you can simply do over here is simply tap on any of the highlights and add any highlight over here. So you can add highlights over here, and if they have been stalking you, then they'll definitely get to see your highlights, and you can go onto your highlights and just check if that person or if any new person has viewed your highlight that you have added recently. So this way you'll be able to see if someone is talking to you on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.